Welcome to Bright Spark YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the reverse bias PN junction diode. Already we are learned open circuit PN junction and forward bias PN junction. Reverse bias PN junction diode. Connections verify చేద్దాం. Here we will take PN junction diode. PN junction diode. This PN junction diode is will connected to the voltage source. The voltage source is having reverse polarities, minus plus. Here, this type of connection is a reverse bias PN junction diode connection. Another type is NP, N and P junction diode is connected to the positive terminal of the voltage source. And negative terminal is connected to the P type of material. This type of connection is also reverse bias PN junction diode. Okay. Here is majority carries are poles. Poles. Minority carries are electrons. In n type of material, majority carries are electrons. Minority carries are holes. Okay. As for connection, you will take PN junction diode. Reverse bias PN junction diode means P type of PN junction diode in PN junction diode. P type is connected to the positive terminal and N type is P type is connected to the negative terminal and N type is connected to the positive terminal. This type of connection is called reverse bias PN junction diode. Okay. Whenever voltage increases, whenever voltage increases, whenever voltage applied to reverse bias PN junction diode, then holes in P type will attract to the negative terminal of the battery. Similarly, electrons in N type will attract positive terminal of the cell. Positive terminal of the battery. It means here holes will attack to the negative terminal or electrons will attack to the positive terminal. When width of the diffusion layer will increases. Initially diffusion layer thickness is this one, this one. Okay. Similarly, whenever voltage increases, diffusion layer thickness also increases. Also increases. Means this layer thickness will increase. Initially, this one, after this one. This means increases from this from this thickness to this thickness. Okay. Next, non increasing voltage diffusion thickness, diffusion layer thickness increases. At that time, current will flow due to minority carriers. That means in p-type material, p-type material, minority carriers are electrons. Similarly, in n-type holes, it is very small current flow due to the minority carriers. From p-type, electrons will flow towards the left side. Here, minority carriers holes will flow towards from left side to the right side. This current is flow due to the minority carriers. Minority carriers current will depend upon minority carrier current depend on temperature. That current is called a minority current. The minority carriers current due to minority carriers. That current is called reverse saturation current. reverse saturation current. At the time, the internal resistance of the internal resistance or reverse bias resistance is more compared to forward bias. Okay, next, reverse bias PN junction diode act as open switch. In forward bias, it acts as a closed switch. Forward bias act as a closed switch. So open, it was PN junction diode act as a open switch and a closed switch. That's why PN junction diode act as a rectifier. Act as rectifier. Equation in PN junction diode means I is equal to I naught into e power v by epsilon vt minus 1. Here I naught is reverse saturation current. Reverse saturation current. Epsilon is silicon is 1, germanium is 2. Vt means T by 11,600 is here T in kelvins. This is the reverse saturation current. I naught will increase. I naught will increase. I naught will reverse saturation current will double the value for every 10 degrees Celsius. అంటే ఎవరి 10 degrees Celsius కు I naught అనే రివర్స్ saturation current అనేది డబుల్ అవుతుంది. Graphical representation of VI characteristics of reverse bias PN junction. This is x-axis, y-axis. Here take is voltage, here take is current. Reverse saturation current is like that. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే ఈ కంటెంట్ ఎవరికైనా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతే షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి కంటెంట్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.